Hello kids, we are starting a new chapter today, chapter number 4, The Muse, from the book English Reader 2. So first they have given startup, we just read this, okay. Muse is a mythological goddess who helps in learning various arts like drawing, painting, music, etc. Let us read the story and see how the Muse helped Rini in her drawing competition. यहाँ पर हमें बता रहे हैं कि म्यूज जो है एक माइथोलॉजिकल गॉडेस है, ओके, एंड जो कि हमें हेल्प करती है वेरियस आर्ट फॉर्म्स को लर्न करने में, जैसे कि ड्राइंग, पेंटिंग, म्यूजिक, डांसिंग एंड मेनी अदर आर्ट फॉर्म्स। ओके, ये एक स्टोरी दी गई है जिसमें हमें बताया है कि म्यूज ने कैसे हेल्प करी एक गर्ल की, रिनी की, उसके ड्राइंग कॉम्पिटिशन के लिए। ओके, so let's just start reading this. Reading skill. Rini was a little girl. She was only 8 years old. She studied in class 2 in a reputed public school of the town. She was an intelligent girl. She stood first in her class, but the only thing she was weak in was drawing. It was like a nightmare for her. तो रिनी एक लिटिल गर्ल है जो 8 इयर्स ओल्ड है एंड सेकेंड क्लास में एक पब्लिक स्कूल में स्टडी करती है एंड इंटेलिजेंट है काफ़ी एंड फर्स्ट आती है क्लास में, बट ओनली थिंग जिसमें वो वीक है दैट इज ड्राइंग। इट वॉज अ नाइटमेयर, मतलब एक बुरे सपने की तरह है उसके लिए ड्राइंग। ओके, One day, Miss Rosie, her class teacher, told everybody that there would be a drawing competition next Monday and the winner would go on a trip to Appughar. Rini knew well that Tia would win the contest. Drawing was her favorite subject and she always bragged that she was an artist. Rini returned home sadly. She wanted to win the competition, but how could she do that? Would that anybody help her? What is the matter, Rini? You are looking so sad. Her mother came into her room. Now, one day, Miss Rosie, जो उनकी क्लास टीचर थी, उन्होंने अनाउंस किया there will be a drawing competition. जो भी competition win करेगा उसको अप्पू घर ले जाया जाएगा। ओके, एंड रिनी को पता था कि टिया इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट को, यानी कि इस कंपटीशन को विन कर सकती है क्योंकि टिया का फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट ड्राइंग है एंड वो एक आर्टिस्ट भी है। ओके, नाउ रिनी जो है बहुत सैडली अपने घर आती है एंड वो कंपटीशन विन करना चाहती है, बट वो ऐसे कैसे करेगी, कौन उसे हेल्प करेगा। नाउ उसकी जो मदर होती है रिनी की, शी आस्क्ड, व्हाट इज द मैटर रिनी, यू आर लुकिंग सो सैड, क्या हुआ, कुछ क्या बात है, तुम इतने सैड क्यों हो। ओके, एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंड नेक्स्ट? Mom, I cannot win the drawing competition, she began to sob. Why cannot you, my dear child? Her mother took her in arms. Just pray to Muse and it would be all right. Mom, what's a muse? Rini asked, brushing her curly black hair away from her face. A muse is a goddess who helps in learning arts like poetry or music. Her mother smiled. Can they teach me drawing also? Rini asked again. So, अब वो बताती है कि मैं ड्राइंग कंपटीशन जीत नहीं पाऊंगी। ओके, एंड वो थोड़ा रोना स्टार्ट कर देती है। ओके, एंड उसकी मदर उसे बोलती है कि क्यों नहीं जीत पाओगी, एंड उसे आर्म्स में ले लेती है अपने एंड उसे बताती है जस्ट प्रे टू मूज एंड इट विल बी ऑल राइट। ओके, सब सही होगा। अब वो पूछती है कि म्यूज क्या है। अब तो रिनी अपने बालों को पीछे करते हुए फिर ऐसा पूछती है। ओके, एंड देन उसकी मदर आंसर करती है म्यूज एक गॉडेस होती है जो कि डिफरेंट आर्ट फॉर्म्स को लर्न करने में, जैसे पोइट्री, म्यूजिक, इनको हेल्प करती है। ओके, देन रिनी आस्क करती है कि क्या वो मुझे ड्राइंग सिखा सकती है। ओके, yes they can, her mother said. She thought for a while, where can I find a muse, mom? If you earnestly pray to her, she would surely come and help you. So before going to bed, Rini prayed to Muse to help her with her drawing. That night, Rini dreamt a pretty lady was sitting on her bed and talking to her. The lady told her that she was a muse and that Rini could draw better than anyone. So she should not worry but practice as much as she could. The next day was Sunday. Rini worked on her drawing all day long. She drew a river with a bridge over it. She drew the blue sky with a beautiful rainbow and colored it. Rini worked very hard on it, making all the colors just right. Her mother said, "It's very good, Rini. I am sure your teacher would like it." "I think my muse helped me," Rini said. Now, mother said, "Yes, they can." वो कर सकती हैं. फिर रिनी आस्क करती है कि वो मुझे मिलेंगी कहाँ. तो उसकी मॉम बताती है कि अगर तुम उनसे प्रे करोगी तो वो ज़रूर आएंगी और तुम्हारी हेल्प करेगी. अब रिनी बेड में जाने से पहले प्रे करती है म्यूज को कि वो उन्हें हेल्प करे ड्राइंग के लिए. एंड नाइट में रिनी को एक ड्रीम आता है. एक प्रिटी लेडी उसके बेड पर बैठी है, उससे बात कर रही है एंड लेडी बताती है कि वो म्यूज है. एंड रिनी अच्छे से ड्रॉ करने लगती है एंड वो कहती है कि तुम्हें अब वरी करने की, परेशान होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है एंड जितना तुम प्रैक्टिस करोगी उतना तुम अच्छा ड्रॉ कर पाओगी. ओके. एंड नेक्स्ट डे जो था वो संडे था. अब रिनी वर्क करती है अपनी ड्राइंग पर पूरे दिन एंड वो एक रिवर बनाती है, एक ब्रिज बनाती है उसके ऊपर एंड ब्लू स्काई ड्रॉ करती है ब्यूटीफुल रेनबो के साथ एंड कलर करती है. रिनी ने बहुत मेहनत की थी एंड सारे कलर्स बहुत अच्छे से फिल किए. ओके. एंड उसकी मदर भी कहती है, "वेरी गुड रिनी," और कहती है कि तुम्हारी टीचर भी इसको लाइक करेगी, जो ड्राइंग बनाई है उसको. ओके. एंड रिनी कहती है कि मुझे लगता है म्यूज ने मेरी हेल्प करी है. ओके. Then her mother smiled. "I'm sure she did. It's the best drawing I have ever seen." Next morning, after she went to school, Miss Rosie picked up all the drawings. She stopped when she saw Rinny's. "This is very good, Rinny." She looked at it for a moment. "Oh, did your mother help you with it?" "No, madam," Rinny said. "It's not my mom, but it's my muse who helped me in my drawing." So, उसकी मदर स्माइल करती है एंड कहती है कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा श्योर हूँ ये बेस्ट ड्राइंग है जो भी मैंने अभी तक देखी है. नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग वो अपने स्कूल जाती है. मिस रोजी पिक करती है सारी ड्राइंग्स में से एंड वो स्टॉप हो जाती है जब रिनी की ड्राइंग आती है एंड वो बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर होती है एंड उसे देखती है एंड आस्क करती है कि क्या तुम्हारी मदर ने हेल्प करी रिनी. तो रिनी आंसर करती है, "नो मैडम, इट्स नॉट माई मॉम." वो मेरी मम्मी नहीं है एंड वो म्यूज हैं जिन्होंने मेरी हेल्प की है ड्राइंग में. ओके. नाउ देयर आर सम वर्ड मीनिंग गिवन. माइथोलॉजिकल, रिलेटिंग टू माइथोलॉजी. जो माइथोलॉजी से रिलेट करते हैं उनको माइथोलॉजिकल कहते हैं. देन कॉम्पिटिशन, स्ट्रगल, यानी कि कुछ कॉम्पिटिशन, compete करना किसी चीज़ में. ओके. देन इंटेलिजेंट, एबल टू लर्न एंड अंडरस्टैंड थिंग्स ईजिली. इंटेलिजेंट वो होता है जो बहुत जल्दी चीज़ों को लर्न कर लेता है, जल्दी से समझ लेता है. ट्रिप, अ जर्नी टू अ प्लेस एंड बैक अगेन. एक जर्नी के लिए जाना एक प्लेस पर और फिर वापस आ जाना, दैट इज कॉल्ड ट्रिप. कॉन्टेस्ट, अ कॉम्पिटिशन टू फाइंड आउट हु इज बेस्ट. कॉन्टेस्ट वो होता है, कॉम्पिटिशन होता है जिसमें हमें पता चलता है कि कौन पर्सन बेस्ट है. ब्रैग, टू एक्सप्रेस प्राइड इन वन सेल्फ एंड प्राइड एक्सप्रेस करना. ओके. अपने आप में, दैट इज कॉल्ड ब्रैग. एंड आर्टिस्ट, अ पर्सन हु क्रिएट्स ड्राइंग एंड पेंटिंग्स. और एक पर्सन जो ड्राइंग्स एंड पेंटिंग क्रिएट करता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड आर्टिस्ट. एंड प्रिटी मीन्स ब्यूटिफुल, यानी कि सुंदर. ओके. सेल्फ प्रैक्टिस, NEP 2020 and NCF 2023 speaking skill. Answer the following questions orally. Question 1, in which standard Rini studied? Answer is Rini studied in standard 2. Question 2, in which subject did Riya weak? Riya was weak in drawing. Okay. Question 3, who was Miss Rosie? The answer is Miss Rosie was Rini's class teacher. Then question 4, drawing was whose favorite subject? The answer is drawing was Tia's favorite subject. Question 5, who helped Rini in making drawing? Answer is Muse helped Rini in making drawing. Okay. Writing skill, A, take the correct option. First, but the only thing she was weak in dash. A. English, B. Math, C. Drawing. Answer is drawing. Second, Rini knew well that Dash would win the contest. A. Tia, B. Nisha, C. Rini. Answer is Tia. Third, Rini asked, brushing her Dash black hair away from her face. A. Curly, B. Long, C. Short. Answer is curly. Fourth, it's not my mom, but it's my Dash who helped me in my drawing. A. Muse, B. Uncle, C. Sister. Answer is Muse. B. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. First, Rini was dash years old, 5, 8. Answer is 8. Second, she was an dash girl, intelligent, foolish. Answer is intelligent. Third, dash was the favorite subject of Tia, English, drawing. Answer is English. Fourth, that night Rini dreamt her dash was sitting on her bed and talking to her pretty lady fairy. Answer is pretty lady. Fifth, the next day was dash Sunday, Monday. Answer is Sunday. C, who said it? Okay, first, what is the matter, Rini? You are looking so sad. क्या मैटर है रिनी, तुम बहुत उदास लग रही हो. This was said by Rini's mother. Second, Mom, I cannot win the drawing competition. मम्मी, मैं ड्राइंग कंपटीशन नहीं जीत पाऊंगी. This was said by Rini. Third, my cannot. My is wrong. Why is the correct. Why cannot you, my dear child? यानी कि क्यों नहीं जीत पाओगी मेरी प्यारी बच्ची. This was said by Rini's mother. Fourth, can they teach me drawing also? क्या वो मुझे ड्राइंग भी सिखा देंगे? This was said by Rini. Fifth, did your mother help you with it? क्या तुम्हारी मदर ने इसमें हेल्प की है? This was said by Miss Rosie. D, write true or false against the following statements. First, Rini was not an intelligent girl. Rini intelligent girl नहीं थी. False. Second, Rini thought that she could not win the competition. Rini को लगा कि वो drawing competition नहीं जीत पाएगी. True. Third, Muse is the goddess of learning. जो Muse है वो goddess है learning की. That is also true. Fourth, the Muse helped Rini to draw the picture. Muse ने help करी Rini की picture draw करने में. True. Fifth, Rini won the first prize in the drawing competition. Rini ने first prize won किया drawing competition में. True. E, answer the following questions. Question 1, what would be the reward for the winner of the drawing competition? Answer, the reward for the winner of the drawing competition was a trip to Appughar. Okay. Question 2, where was the drawing competition held? The answer is the drawing competition was held in the school. Question 3, why did Rini think that Tia would win the competition? The answer is, Rini thought that Tia would win the competition because Tia is good in drawing. She was an artist. Okay. Question 4, who is a muse? The answer is, Muse is a goddess of learning different art forms like poetry, music, dance, singing, etc. Question 5, how did Rini win the competition? The answer is Rini won the competition because of Muse, who helped her in drawing. Okay? You can write these answers by yourself. Words power. Jasmine always bragged that she was an artist. An artist is one who draws or paints a picture. Jasmine हमेशा brag करती थी that she was an artist, and artist वो होता है जो draw और paint करता है कोई picture को. Okay. A. Do you know what the following persons are called? If needed, take help from the box and fill in the blanks. So, क्या आपको पता है इन पर्सन को क्या कहते हैं? अगर हमें हेल्प चाहिए तो हम इन बॉक्स में से हेल्प ले सकते हैं. ओके, I'll just read these words for you all. Driver, rider, warrior, runner, manager, singer. Now we'll just fill those blanks. Okay. First, one who sings a song is called a dash. Answer is singer. Second, one who fights in a battle is called a dash. Answer is warrior. Third, one who rides a horse is called a dash. Answer is rider. Fourth, one who drives a car, etc. is called a dash. Answer is driver. Fifth, one who manages a farm, etc. is called a dash. Answer is manager. Sixth, one who runs a race is called a dash. Answer is runner. And we are done with this. Okay. B. Use the following words in your own sentences. First, reputed. She was a reputed lady. Second, competition. There is a drawing competition in the school today. Third, artist. Ria is a good artist. Fourth, goddess. Goddess Lakshmi is worshipped on Diwali. Fifth, pretty. Namita has a pretty dress. And we are done with this. Okay. Practice skill. Practice to write the following words in cursive. So यहाँ पर words given है. You need to practice them in cursive. Okay. You can write them in the given blanks. Okay. I'll just read them out. Teacher, winner, artist, contest, child, muse. You can write them by yourself. Now next we have creative skill. NEP 2020. Draw the picture that Rini drew for the competition and color it. Picture draw करनी है जो Rini ने अपने competition के लिए draw करी थी, and you have to fill color in it as well. Okay. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.